So you can imagine that a wind is blowing this way. It captures this kinetic energy, the wind, and the turbines are moving. And from what I explained just now, the turbines moving causes electromagnetic induction. So from here, the mechanical energy of this turbine moving, it becomes electrical energy. So the efficiency is around 20 to 40%. And then it converts from here through the wires into the battery, which turns the electricity to stored energy, which is, the efficiency is relatively high because there really isn't much going on here, which is 90%. So from here, my plan is to have a converter and another transformer. So a transformer is what changes the electricity to voltages that we can accept. So 50%, ideally it can be changed, but 50% goes to other EV charging stations for electric vehicles, and the other 50% will go to hydrogen generators. So the reason why I would change it into hydrogen, not change it, the electricity can be used to generate hydrogen by electrolysis, which separates water, H2O, into hydrogen.
Why would you want to?
So why would I want to do that? Because hydrogen gas is used for many purposes, and one of the things that I think it could be used for is for hydrogen fuel cell cars. Have you heard of those before?
No.
So the concept is simple. You have hydrogen gas pumped into the car to the fuel cells. So the hydrogen gas will combine with oxygen, and it will create water. This this reaction between can generate electricity. So the car can move.
Then why would I want to separate them in the first place?
Because you need hydrogen gas and oxygen to make the reaction going. That's why you want.
Why not just charge it with electricity? Why go take this? Does it create more energy out of it?
It's another source. It's another sustainable transportation that we can use, and hydrogen gas can also be used for other options. And plus, what else do you want to use the excess electricity for? There are many options, but I think this is one. This is the one that I chose. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. So, yeah, it turns into hydrogen gas, and the other part is to EV charging stations. So actually, this project is actually used in many European countries already. Of course, they have high GDP to afford systems like this. So when we give this excess electricity to EV charging stations, we can actually make fuel cheaper. So when there is high wind gusts and high excess electricity, so they go to the charging stations and they notify the users that the price is lower. It's because it's excess, right? So the price will become lower. More people will go and take this electricity, so it really is going to use. So fuel's cheaper, and we can harness the excess electricity to these EV charging stations. So that's my solution. Thank you.